ye nyank one wo say eye kwa he efa he ba he yen de ye ne we odwumtuni bi sai ne nyom o se papa mo boni mo nyamia ne wo ha inti ye no adidi fo ase dan de nyane a ye de astamo tumfo yankopo efise se wuda ye ade achiwo uni obia okoba subo uni obia kobi sanewe uni obia okeka sebadi ana kobi sanza Argentina wa ma de ache na suni nyama heyo yakopon aduma e bring bibia ametai kase me ye ku adwuma saa ku ani bia owe me kwa ya tomato si fa se tintin wunim o pa ko da tomato na aburo ya wo bia ba me o pa ko da o ma de sama de nche ha me se ta da bi kwam tu na kosi me de na kosi na me gira ho me pese mi ru kwa ya aburo fa se tintin no me ma me kase mi nyara mba ma so what you say iti wo ubaya ovie akwaya bo fe be fa so be tintin wu da na do bi sika ntwa me ayi am shanka se no tie bi fifi mi ni padua mu ba na so bi bono na tie ama o se adeja because Bible si nyame di ko tie na de wini ni padua yi edi sika ntwa nya na tie na se ba na so ko ya mo ja na ni mi ni twitwere wo fifire ku fo except say he is so wonderful. He is so wonderful. He is so great. You cannot change the Godhood in God. You cannot. No matter what you do, you cannot. He said, I am God today, tomorrow, yesterday, every day I am God. Where you go for there, and then I pray that I see. And then young so go cry near the man. I don't pray for. Last week, sir, we are going to pray about dreams. That is so. And I go be at that, and I pray you'll be sorry. Was so that, let them be good to track, one more power. I'm one of you. What power be out my chair on one of our family? Obisu, Awabi, Awa, every no be a yes, kitty pa. Amo, I know be a yes. You have ever had your children. Obisu die, what goes so die be a one of people be so for people. No one to be for. Oh Jesus. Never heard. See Papa Mo, money mo mutu sa you know. Papa Mo, money mo. Mina ni wo. Papa Mo, money mo. Papa Mo, money mo. Oh. Wonderful. Apamo bonimo. Mina wasia. Apamo bonimo. anɔpa papa mo bonimo unya me no ɔno ne Onyankopɔn eduru ba bi wɔ se yɛ wɔ mmra emu yɛ den ɛne ɛwɔ mmra emu yɛ mmerɛ nanso still unya me anu anɔpa yɛ ba bɔ mpae Daniel chapter 2 ɔhene Nebukadnezar kɔdae obi a Daniel odiye obi anim ana ɔso no dae ɔdanya ne ya ehu abɔ no wamoto wamoa wayɛ basa ɔfrɛ ne mpanifo nyinaa baa sɛ woe maso dae ɔmo sɛ ɛne ɛkada akora ne ɛkyɛ ɔsɛ ɔsɛ mabobɔ da papa mo te ade afasɔ na ɔmo so ɛyɛ wo na mo se mo yɛ ayifɔ mo a mo nka dae na me sui ne nkyerɛ me na mo sa nkyerɛ ma se
sia pɛsɛ mbusa no pɛ sɛ didaeɛ ɛho nya sɛ woyɛ kristoni ana ogyidi ne a woso daeɛ ana
papa
gyina ho hia
it's very important. It's very important. It's very important. Sir, or sir, nipa osundaye. Say nipa wan sundano. Owa ohu. Nipa wan sundaye no. Nyankopon ne na brabo. Obi tima semiase.
Na obi so osondaye na na wura fi osondaye na wura fi osondaye na wura fi
se obi ansondaye owu a ohu obi ansondaye asam tuna abeto no kwabra ohu so obi ansondaye Nyankopon ne na brabo wiase enipa miensa hwe ekuo miensa bi ana wɔn so dae ekuo dinkan ɛyɛ ekuo a Nyankopon ne wɔn abrabo wɔn so dae number 2 obi a n'adwene sɛ wɔn so dae obi a wɔnwene ɔno nso so dae sɛ saa nneɛma mmiɛnsa bi ka ho asɛm nyinaa no sɛ obi ɔba so dae tie
na me papa say na you so dae a na ne wura fi no so ɛno no so ɛno so ɛyɛ ntia ɛsɛ
ɛno na ma kyerɛ mu sɛ Nyankopɔn ne na brabo so Nyankopɔn wɔ brabo na wo hwɛ mu sɛsie sɛ so dae deɛ sɛ so dae ne sɛ enipa ahobɔne abayifuo yi abonsamfuo esam enti enipa ntimi mɛ nipa nso daeɛ ɛna abonsam nso mɛ nipa nso daeɛ Onyankopɔn ne mɛ nipa so daeɛ na nipa na ɔma ɔso daeɛ no wone ne nye fine bɛdɛ na waso na tie anɔpa yi daeɛ bi a waso sɛ ɛhu sɛ ɛnyɛ hu yɛbɛbɔ mpa yɛka kyɛ Awurade Nyankopɔn sɛ oh God change my dreams enipa wɔwieɛ ɛne wo daeɛ so
ampa
wɔwieɛ ɛne wo daeɛ so dia wo da akyekyerɛ ɛyɛ wo daeɛ so sɛ daakye wobɛdi yie a wobɛso wo daeɛ daakye wobɛhia a wobɛdi hia a woso daeɛ hwɛtie. Maybe you don't understand what I am saying now. Ɔhene Nebukadnezar when you say Prophet Kofi Amponza to me ɔsi mana di kosi sɛ ekunimdie yɛ mi di o mana kora ojuma ni bi da mana juma gui ɔsɔfo bi so dae mana sɔre gui mana di kosisa ikudie ya medio mano manakra uda udi here too much of sleep udi here obi to be free and no bako she anwumre no wada ah it also na go pray kon get me so aya hintin kan first come out to hello obi we tie me ba de ya wuda ya da fa so be de be ene he ta me ba tv so hello muha oh mo sem share radio ni mo sem mo sem share radio ni
si ana esa me ta ho Joseph ni ye din ni di bia no e ha sef ni da ye sun e fa bia ni am yom so bi sun da ya se ni pa no definitely se be here on say dia ko so abrabon bi anya dai
na akina wodi be so ya ko adwuma no di akina da na be da skaba Joseph ne day sunu mani hu ni da chi so ni pa kese bon sama yora bon sama Joseph day so chere ni say o ye big because ni papa Jacob o ko ka chere ni papa first dream say o so na o bubu eja na eja no we abodumuase ni ni anu love yina first dream no ka chere papa ni papa say mo ti ase ma papa ni ke o say
onu tu eza he just be there ewo
because papa no so enyame ni pa Jacob no a divo.
I know a divo.
Jacob was a prophet, a great prophet. Until that say, and okay, just one day. Okay. First one. Second dream. Was him soon there no? All the stars. And the moon. And the sun. And so can we all go with our second dream the man say, don't couple. And do person tell me no ma bi nyina ya so ba ba kutu bi it means say first you know papa ni ti ase say ni nuanu 11 no e be kan no omu nyina na e be bo mu sema but awia ni gira onu Jacob
yeah
aina moon ay musumi no so e gira omu ni mami see how these pictures
yes a second dream na ma ga pa no go kan ho
David
e do na ba so no ba kutu bie ni de o ka kwa yin ho afi
naka
eni panye
ba se share mi pese obi ti da ya se na da no da ma
pa
ma kwa na da no ma wa bra onya ho adwuma na sore na ba no da ya ade a wa ye ho adwuma na ba minim so obi ti ma se da se oba so da I just want you to do onya ho adwuma da na ma number 1 ye dem so obi a onwe no so da ni say adwuma ya mi ye se ma nwini ho Yakobọ ma me so da bi amfa adwuma we it can be possible. Hope you understand what I'm saying. Se obi eye na adwuma na wa nwini adwuma na oye no a ontimi so da obi ti ya me kana se because se wo ba so da obi bi hu a na de no adwuma wa so da wa nwini hu a ontimi so ena bi hu a na ya yita se bi a obi di yita wo ana bonsam di yita wo enu so timi ba ne nyame am wa so da no o kire wo hwaje ena memma obi kwan odaye ba ko pa waso wo kan me kire wo wa bra bo bra wo nyina
wo ye si amba
me odaye ma me hu wa bra bo wo fi wo yi daye ba ko pa kire mo mo je ade mi ni mo ndi anya sankire ni bi ama we anya sankire ni ma efiefo dem bi efiefo ni bi ya friend wo so do minimum
oh
me ba ma kenzo minimum me ba Patrick minimum ana go sami nso gina minimum Sami jira mi ni wu.
Sami ba ko fe.
Sami ba ko fe. Hwɛ. Nebuchadnezzar na Daniel chapter 2. Daniel eba be kyerɛ da na so ɔse hu ɔhene. Wo da wo mpa so. Wo ni so. Tio. Wo ni asoro. When is real, the only so you have been on this. Or see, who did it while in the no? The ever back, and the ever see who watch it or you know from about.
That's a study of can see a dia, and the ever see the ever bad, the end tower.
Perfect. Like a champion, but we are words of wisdom. And about words of knowledge, words of wisdom, no, and there's a same kind of woman here. Yes, I will grab a chum. Any dear woman says here. Any a walk, dear ever sit that and only a words of knowledge. A rabbit, other option or in fear do it. And no one that hears so Safi, what you say? Now, that would be some other idea. Send you who call now by. Okay. Otieni dia otie. Me penny by you pay. MC for nipa 2 pay. Move on number into screen now. Nipa 2 pay. You go by the apple. And they are mantel. Nipa 2. Ah, won't show me. Obi kan taya waso na me chira no de wona nipa 2 MCA sadik for nipa 2 problem ko fa kwa on kan da na waso na da ya so on se o se wo die na hwe wo dwini wa himie no Daniel chapter 2 na mabie wo dwini wa himie no wo dwini se na me Nebuchadnezzar me yo yin kese me kura bi wa why ne ba di ma de na ma yin na chi kura be ko sai ana urade yakobɔ se saa ana me de kyerɛw nti hwɛ enie ana ɔde hori ni di si ofisa wa nwini na yin no a nkɔba so saa da ya bi ɔyin mi we esesi a wɔda saa wɔ ntumi nwini na yin no nti yakobɔ so ntumi nyi bibi a nkyerɛ no wobɛhu sɛ deɛ womene sɛ woyɛ adwuma na ko partner sɛ wohwɛ wode woadwene kɔ adwuma no wa bowa sɛ okay. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me pajapajja one kakra mam tun kai.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Udi ni ba from ifi.
Ajo from Kwajibedi akome kasa free Sampa.
Sampa, okay. Da e ben ba ko pe a enkyere a waso yi kire.
Ajo say.
Da e ba ko a waso wutie mi ansa na ofrend ma me nkasa mre. Da e ba ko a waso a e wani me ya ka kire me. What want me? Want me? Oh, say, Obi, and never ya wayani. Ochina, ye be a dinner so a patch and then me wayani kakra, me person nipa bit dayate, so soon daya, dear chile. No what pay, me soon die, never shan tati aprana, me be chile. Huh? So Joe. Where's up for? That crew that over that over kidding. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Would you baby Akasafi? Okay, you too.
But my shoulder is here. I say, if I can make a workshop, and I'm change my into one of Madame Yanam no with him. One night, a minimum cook with me, Chelsea was the answer. What you say? Yeah, we were what time after you want Una, my action to me. Moana Obama. So me. I said, no, say, oh, what's on Kwame? I say, you actually said, right,
when you know, maintaining Kayo. Hello,
Missy me told me no TJ back. Give me the back, ma'am. They talk in the action, say. In fee. Then, on the being seven. Your cancer be free. And I'm not. Uncle no find tell we be out and seven. Yeah, or a woman. I'm on trip, did not see. You say you okay, if you say you okay. I'm so back at my mind. Come in the time after day. The mechanic actually working.
And then maintaining can you say me mechanical soa or shassian. Meti nema bebre we or ye nipa or meaning koneni all the time the orange say nanka say enra let say o say nipa ni bebre tisa last year pa there say pa there oh say first no let me say hello good morning oh ba kra ka say ozu be me ofre ya ante ne kasa Mami.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Udini baby akasafi.
If I'm Felicia, I'm going to say you BSc.
Okay, Felicia. Can we die about culture need you?
That means Sunday. I say I'm quite sorry. I'm sorry now me calling. Me quite sorry. Me quite as my Sunday I'm quite sorry. It's me quite sorry no me say. Almost say you late. It's why you late be kujina. Muchama na mesimidi me hu say wakwa sorry awaye later ye twa ma de ye twa o ma adanti sa ba we de menje ina me de me pie nti me pie na so fo bia ya me ne come by me ko sha no na na wakwa so ne we pie I say da me ko so me say almost ya ye late nti wa late ya kujina ha to muchama asa na me de pie ne da ya me hu ye
Momo nzema urano. Onyankopon adane ho adi a kire ne prekope. Dawo bawe. Onye ade papa wo ne bre. Utieme. Onye ade papa wo ne bre so. She always do good thing at the wrong time. E ko na wari mu nyina. Na bra boy delay. On sorry nkonanim. Anything na warning. Kese yede atono so eye warning kese pa nti maami so wo tie mi a bo modini se o bisi wa bra bo. Hello, good morning. Hello. Oh, hello. Me pacha mam tu. Hello. Good morning. Udi ni baby akasafi.
Ese mo ko bi me kasafi ko.
Okay, you.
Me pacho nanu mo funda e bia na se mi twika. Me funda e bia na se mi twika muti.
Papa yi. Ne da chiso. Na sisi ye kase eni man koyi. Ne da chiso pa. Sisi ye ni man koyi. Oyobi a opena tententem bia ye. Ne susu asetene mu nima bi chichire no mi hu se efie wo firi mu efie mu no nipa no omo nya nkrofo a omo kika omo ye slow ba papa we ni shebre ne ye pa mamela scholar hwe Daniel chapter 2 Oba verse 27. Ose ohini bisa Daniel ani dindi besada se obetimi akire me dai me so ya no yi obetimi akame ne nkira se na verse 27 Daniel bua ohini se ayintasema ohini ribisa no anyansafo piade ahunufo enkonyayifo nyankonkyerafo lutumi enkyera ohini dai. Hello, good morning, last caller.
Morning.
Udini baby afrefi.
So your friend Peter Mkasefi afumbem.
Okay, ti o na kyerɛ from kwami kuma se from Antio bianka. Betio.
Pacho, Mesunda, Abaya, Meninitino. Not like Mesunda and Abaya, Meninitino. Not a Siminja nature, something nature, my bravo, and Simi.
Wait, you don't need any explanation. It's better for you to live there.
But you say,
you see, you don't need any explanation. It's better for you to leave that woman.
Okay.
Obano, if you 10 years, Abamu, and the Oko should be my home, Bonibi, and then it's here. Into one Casa Ujamino. Who Pacheki? Who discuss to her no beatisu? Who is Sikani Souse? Yes, Town, but Obabe Prakrachi. Nado Besonimuno. Just what you remember. You want to see I have you so. You can tell me. That be awesome. I want to check. Huh? As an American. Obedru. Verse 28 no say nanso onyankopon bi osoro a oye intasemadi na wachire ohene Nebukadnezar de erebeba daachi wodae no a woso ya woda wo mpaso no na uhunu ye no nie tio verse 29 ohene odwene ma pi ho awo wo mpaso dia ye achi ebeba no na dia oyi ayintasemadi no ama wohunu dia erebeba what you say na do hene ko dwene ni da yeso okodwene ni dachi okodwene na hini ni eno nyankopon yichire no enti mi bisa papa ohene awotwe the background what me attract me say urade na me am ye ohene kura no machi die na eba machi wan na eba be di made na me man kura oman e die mfaso die na me ya mo oman president Mr. President are you think about these things? What are you doing? Are you thinking about your country or you are thinking about yourself and your family? What are you doing? As a leader, assembly member, MP, Mr. Assembly Money, what are you going to do in the near future? If you think about these things, God will reveal himself to you in your dream and tell you what will come. Beloved, it's better for you to think about your dreams. And your dreams will show you either you are rich or you become a poor man. What else you need? It's very important. But you know, Payaba, the very ni abu born kakaka diako. Inti na bia ni chiro. E hu yesa wo sonda e. Sa wo sonda e obewu obi ahu wo. Obi sonda e, o sonda no na emponchi ni ngai no. Obi sonda no wo. Tie abaifo eda omwadi omuda wadi wo muamu baye na oya ono wodi na bayi bo na pam anajo baye na oya ono fa na ntwia wodi na ntwia na be pam anajo baye na oya na bayi bo ya owa wodi o be pam anajo baye na oya se na bayi bo ya okra wodi okra be pam anajo agbobi abaifo no yusu bia no eno no de be pam anajo nti agbobi e wusia no da esu no padi e pa bo na chiwade na chiwade nyame na meka che wo fidie su ai sofu be say see me James na che pam ni pam na ya maya ka hiro oda
what the order?
Maya ka hiro oda wono so na Germany ku na je kras oda na je no na odi ana dubia na ntwesa emne bia bi twamu me se me dan na ntwesa wo mutumi pamisa mitumi suna no wachire me na be free me ah what is this na twe ha family ba bra pa dia twam brother oh bia na me te black cobra o pejani tisi no be pemi na da so no we kumune ma watene bobole bobo mami wo hia bo abo oda ngo kuno be fa na oteto ono no kuno ade be tuno bawu enfomu ni agbo sabre mami pajamu kasi awradie anopai midaya maso oya ko pontifue anopai boari Why is it? We are no more fine. We are no more fine. We are no more fine. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? No more fine. What do you mean? No more fine. What tell you what's wrong? Tell you what's wrong. What do you mean? 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 Who's your ready? I could boy. Let us see that. They're ready for me. They're ready for me. Give me 5. Give me 5 by voice. Give me 5 by this. Catch him. How much you catch him? How much you catch him? Catch him. Catch him. Catch him. Catch him. Catch him. In the name of Jesus. I said, no more. Kasa radio. And then no pay. Pay ya. I don't want to radio. Meaning sex also. Mommy also the kind. Never found good away. I will ask them. Get them up. Yes, well, Anajiro, oh, yes, Mikuno, Kuno, I want you up. In the name of Jesus. Yes, oh Lord. In the name of Jesus. What's your radio? Baye osami. Open my ears here. Have you been me try? It's me born and the man. You want to see money at Yameno? And I don't pay. Back to the sender. Back to the sender. Back to the sender. Back to the sender. You are here. Open the sea. Let go sound. Back to the center. Their own percent. I feel 2020. I feel 2020. Ah, maybe I can consume. I can consume. Maybe. I'm not paying. Me sambo. And then you can consume. And then you can consume. Open your mouth. They want to German. You want to German for what you German. What you Mamma? What you Amana? So come here, see. Make one more shaman. Can last prayer, I'm on Yapon. Go pray about who catch everybody and could say, Medaya Masi, Madi Papa be all day in Sanka. Bonnie over the uncle, where you see him, open up a bit, open up a bit, open up a bit, pray, Some several journey, about some journey. And they pay a tip for your mantle. Your mantle. That's the only good pump to be out annoy. Ochina, you ever sound swat to us. You ever run deep near how Diane acquire fast by interpretations. If you want to say, oh, who say your mate Treniska? Daibu on first country. And it's about seeing a me in where the chair Solomon and I will be answered again. You're saying, wisdom. This is Solomon. I didn't know when Mrs. Yes, Solomon didn't ask of money because on one always can papa be there. Their papa is getting. What do you say? And if you feel so for baby, hello, Nana, I'll say to you, or two also, or two for. Or no, the baby here. Or in a case, baby, obey you and be a new Jimmy. Because Jimmy for Yeska was assassin. Nanso empare o hene kese na na wo kwafo awurade yankopon ma wonyini nche o hene kese ba yanu da otufo ba yanu da na wiase dia sei intini papa David ebe dia di wo iskani to ga ko business called the headache after can hear and no bizarre wisdom, and wisdom is money. Wisdom is money. Ecclesiastes chapter 10 verse 8. You see, the foundation of success is wisdom. The foundation of success. Wasi ni nyina so eni nyansa nti kwase nyeska wasase. Jimi phobia no obenyeska. So obenyeska. That's right. Nti enyese obenyeska enyafo no na muso ajimi. Skani be na ajimi. Mo de won bi da mo kaja. Ata won skani ajimi da. Practical won bi da. Maka won skani ajimi da. Who won bi da so you?
Ola skani be ajimi.
Perfect. Skani bia no wo ajimi. Nyansa wo no mo na say yes. Yeah, so omu nyansa ni different. Omu adwene different. What you say? And you for that me. Adwene phone ya adwene boni ko na wa hia for tin best kani ni time on the ko dwene. So bi hia se mo no. Ebi oni ni bibia o pese de dwuma no. O wa no ka kan. Okay, Samsung phone aba. We phone aba. Okay, we me the 2 cities ko shem. Let me for bi ba. Betime ya 3 cities o ma adwene nyina no. O dana jo a de bi o ba dana jo no kenska. What you say? Go here ni we there. Continue na drain na pampa manajo. Aya you be go for Save Your Liver Foundation. O ma ja to dia ba you be go o mai. Adwumadi am de bra mi. Wonu e bo am timi di sa adwumadi we bra o. Rich City Estate and Properties. Womu ene so ma sene sponsor adwumadi me de bra. Rich City Jones are simple ma se kro de me de. You want to see what trade there. You will be on Jackie so. You will be on Abuako Sepase. You will be on Fancy. Come on, say the property baby. It is all passasi de sida bo mo de abra ye be mo akwa bo twani kakran wo ni be wanzo no tua sika na de to credit e de ye fefe ni na bobo sa sika ni na e betumi amoasa na was me atumi ado Priest City Estate o screen na say numbers ni go anopa ohodo a pada wa kunyo na fe na obi say Priest City for ni say ane me patcho me yes aso o trade ni boy say 15,150 million ba wo to ase kakra sa ye ma 1 year fetu a wo do na bede e bi ase me pasas ye was aso so ko ba mpa yo nyina ne bo na de ye wo de de ko south ase ba bi wo a ne bo agency ba bi nti wo hwe wo coat you cut your coat according to your size me gira no me so wa hye no nti me pe ba bi a e bi a me sika na me kwa kwato boga sa mabata en kwani number bi a ye wan sase atasuma so me wan sase ni atasuma so a ye to ane bo no emu de de kaka do bi santasia nyina akwa probably a filling station but we are person dey bia problem dey pass dey there bra rich city estate and properties dey kwa na be bo afa save your legal foundation for you say we yare nkoto bi won fe wo chi bra mo ha ya o ya ade kadla sabru sam okumase central market bisobia sam pa ade sabru sam be chiro gbowrom wo wonum no ifidie a wo fa no ko no mbe bo e ma bibia atumi akoso akra so wa won kan mo hwe so Several Liver Foundation and Lord Care Clinic Liver Domi Market wa this has me pay have you do after how much have you do as save your liver the one na wo o na do mo jwa to na abusafobia money di
e so e for mediane brother Patrick
Minister Michael, that's right.
Reverend Pastor Joseph Jima, no BF.
Pastor Joseph Jima. And then that's
19. Yeah, Hebrew and Asian.
Hebrew and you.
Yeah, the 3 days working teams and Asian.
More 3 days. Oh, Sokobai and Pam.
New side to Roma, what you are.
That's right.
Don't call me as a Ruby fee.
Sir,
don't call me as a
okay, for number to Janelle Chief, and you'll be person to
the number is 0242 0242 930002. 0242 930002. What's all frame here? 0242 0242 930002. That's
perfect. So come and pam na o share wodi ni jumedi. Yeah. Brother Sami. Okay. I will go check go for gambo. Oh wa. On from baba. And then one jack am kese. Efoba. Ni ba ko pa ni jinya mi adwuma no san yo prophet. Perfect. I'm paying you stand pa. Ye da urade ase o kwan so koso pa. Nti ha na yedi mo esie nyame adom o kira no pa. Exactly 4 kan ye bo 520. Nti da mo nyina ase. Ye kwakọ fa save liver ja tongiaba. E bi sha mo nyina o kira no pa bi esia. Bye bye for now.
Want to mean yet, Eddie Eba. Lord Health Care, Oba, and yes, say, O Kawa Yariania Mojo, Yanamu Fidie, Ahod Rosso, Yawa lab, Ewa lab, in Fidie, no so Fidia, a year pabin and a one, what did say being Yarwa, in Yana. Who also near State Company, your sons was scanning machines and so a walk to me now, a to me, baby, Yarian baby.